Finding ways to make money while studying has always been a huge problem for college students. But what if I were to tell you there's a way to earn a living while still pursuing your career and at the same time setting yourself up for what could be a very lucrative long-term business? If you like sports and you're good with numbers and you enjoy the thrill of the game, being a bookie might be right up your alley. After all, sports betting industry is one of the fastest and most lucrative businesses on the internet. What is a bookie? A bookie is someone who accepts wagers and pays out winnings and earns a commission on every wager taken. You already probably know how the gambling business works. But if you have any questions or you want to learn the basics, follow the links in the description below and you'll learn all you need to know from one of the biggest pay-per-head services in the industry, aceperhead.com. Now, let's get back to being a bookie and paying your way through college. Don't be fooled. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme or easy way to make money. It takes hard work, dedication, and commitment to be a bookie. First, you must take the initial risk of bankrolling your business. You have to consider if you have enough capital to even start your bookie operation. If not, you might want to consider taking on a partner. Always remember, balance is key. Know when to take risks, but don't get greedy. The average hold percentage for a bookie is between 5 and 7%, but the actual money you make depends on a few factors. How many players you have, how often they bet, the type of sport they're betting on, and the average amount they spend per wager, and how sharp or good your players are. For every $10,000, you can expect to make between $500 and $700. You can easily make this over a course of a single weekend during football season. Now, how do you get customers? Being a bookie is all about being reliable. You don't need fancy or expensive advertisement. Word of mouth is enough to make your business grow. You need to be a reliable bookie, pay on time, and your customer base will grow quickly. Choosing a pay-per-head company is a must because they give you instant access to betting software, a website, and services for your customer. The good news is you pay only a fixed amount per active player. Choosing the right pay-per-head service will allow you to focus on your education while dedicating a smaller portion of your time to your bookie business. Ready to make some real money? Let aceperhead.com kickstart your bookie business. The process is quick and simple. Earn money today by clicking the link below.